Hey there, my name is Ben Hutton, and today I'm going to introduce you to JSON Schema in 60 seconds. Start the clock. JSON is a data interchange format commonly used in APIs. JSON Schema provides validation rules which are both human and machine readable. The open nature of the validation rules create constraint-based validation. This allows for the composition of rules to create complex validation. JSON Schema works in the context of JSON, making it interoperable across many programming languages. Here's a possible JSON instance representing a car. Let's look at a plausible schema. We start validation by applying the JSON schema to the JSON instance. The type keyword at the object root defines the allowed type for the JSON instance. In this case, it must be an object. The properties keyword allows us to validate an object's properties. Where the key matches, the subschema value is applied. Here's another subschema. The value of the properties object are subschemas. The schema is applied to the appropriate instance value if it exists. You can have other constraints beyond just the type, such as minimum and maximum for numeric values. There are other keywords for different primitive types. Phew, we made it. But what if our instance data could be a single car or an array of cars? We would need to refactor our schema, moving the previous schema into $defs, so it can be reused. $f takes the value of a URI. In our schema, it's a relative URI, which points to our car definition. A few well-known organizations use JSON Schema. It's baked into Visual Studio Code, no plugins required. JSON config files, autocomplete and validation, that's JSON Schema powered. It's used by Webpack to validate package files. It's used by MongoDB for structural validation. And it's used by Mozilla for Firefox telemetry data validation and for some Mozilla Developer Network data. And now with OpenAPI 3.1 fully supporting JSON Schema for payload validation, it's going to be really useful to learn more about JSON Schema. I hope that was a useful, albeit brief, introduction to JSON Schema. If you're looking for something a little longer, check the notes below for links to some of our educational resources, including JSON Schema in 5 minutes. Be sure to subscribe and maybe even watch one of our recent videos. My name is Ben Hutton, and thank you for watching.